Welcome again to Tivazo. In this video, we'll show you how to invite your team members and get started with the team feature, so you can easily track and manage time for everyone in your organization. Let's get started. Now, you can either invite your team members' work emails one by one, or send bulk invitations if you're inviting multiple people at once. As the admin, it's that simple. When your team members follow the invite, they'll be asked to fill in a few details: their work email, full name, position, and a password. Once they complete these steps, they'll have access to their accounts and be able to start tracking their activity. Before your team can start tracking their time, they'll need to download the Tivazo desktop agent. To do this, simply head over to the dashboard and select Download from the left sidebar. You'll find options for different operating systems. Choose the one that suits your device and download Tivazo desktop agent. Once the agent is downloaded, they can sign in using their credentials, and voila! They're ready to start tracking and managing their time in real time. And as an admin, you can easily edit or delete members as needed. If you want specific details, use the search member feature. Just type in a name, and you'll see everything you need about that team member. For more granular views, click the Team Members button at the top right corner and choose the ones you'd like to review for detailed insight. Start inviting your members, set up your accounts, and get tracking today.